Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a Pretty Little Thing spring / vacation vibes haul. A lot of this stuff I actually bought to take on my last trip to Jamaica. So some of the stuff I wore, some I didn't get to wear. And this is the first piece. Love this cover up, love this bikini. I actually have my own underwear underneath it. Hated the underwear that comes with this set. Do not like this bra one bit, just because I'm not a fan of triangle bras anymore, especially since I have breastfed 2 children. These are not what they used to be, so triangle bikinis are not my friend. I don't know if it's gonna kill them to give us 2 to 3 more inches of triangle or what it is. They're going to die, it looks like. But this is what the outfit looks like. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? It's giving Tulum, Mexico, Jamaica. So this is the next cover up. I have a bandeau top underneath it and the same undies that I normally wear, and I love this. Okay, it fits amazing. Love the design, love the cut. Everything is screaming vacation. Okay, vacation please. I will say though that if your hips are anything wider than a 45 like mine, this is definitely not going to fit, or this particular size is not going to fit you. But I love the one shoulder detail. I love that you're able to tie it as tight or as loose as you want. I love everything about it. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give, especially if you're going on vacation. Is the next outfit. This is a swimsuit. I absolutely love the design of a swimsuit. I love the design of this swimsuit. Love the cut. Love the cut. The cut. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. I love the color that it's black. It has padding on this side. It's very sturdy. I actually wore this in Jamaica. I'll insert a whole bunch of pictures of me actually wearing this swimsuit. Love, love, love this. If you have like a mommy belly and you're self-conscious but you still want to put on a swimsuit, this is yours. Okay, this is you. So even if you don't like this as a bikini, I feel like this would be bomb also as a one-piece bodysuit. So since I don't have any tops to go with these bottoms, so this would be amazing. This is a skirt that I just threw on the swimsuit. I actually bought it to wear with this swimsuit. Thought it would look great with it, and it does. It's hugging the curves in all the right places. The waistband is secure right in the best place possible. I definitely love this skirt a lot. This skirt don't have any stretch, so be careful when getting this. So this is the next outfit. I just switched out the skirt for these shorts, and I was a little bit apprehensive because I got this in a UK 12 and I thought it wouldn't fit, but because of the material that I saw, I went up to a size 12 and it fits perfect. Okay, perfect. I love the inseam detail. I love the fact that it is not too short. It hits right above the knee. I got a big booty, however I don't like it to be out all the time, so these giving me capris vibes. It definitely is a look. All I would do is add me a hat and we're good to go. So I also got this one piece, however I got this in a US 10. I love the cutout, love how it look on the model, however it don't look that great on me. I'm actually going to save it and give it to one of my cousins in Jamaica. It just don't fit me. It's very ill-fitting, but it looks great on the model. I guess because my belly isn't as flat anymore, the cutout details don't really sit perfect on my body type, so yeah, this is a no. This is the next swimsuit I got. Like, would it kill him to give us some extra fabric? Like, is that too much to ask when you're buying a bikini? Like, God, leave. But I love the top, love the design. The bottoms are actually high-waisted, and I love this linen pants. These are sweeping the floor, and I'm 5'6", so these will definitely have to get hemmed, but love them. They're amazing. These will definitely give it vacation babe. And these are super wide leg, so if you're short, these probably won't look very great on you. However, I love them. I will say the waist is very hard to get on, as you guys could see, but yeah, this is the outfit. Got some sweat shorts. I love these. Okay, these are longline sweatshorts. Almost all of my sweatshorts are from Prettylittlething. They're super comfortable. They last very long. So I got these. And I also got some graphic tee. This was what I wore with it. I also got another graphic tee that says Friends, which is in gray, but this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. But before I go, my bust is a 37. Waist is a 33, sometimes 34. My hips are a 45. I'm 5'6", and I weigh 190. So yeah, in case you were wondering, I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.